everyone, welcome back to my channel Cindy Nurella. Okay, interesting. How are you today? I hope everyone is good. Yay! Today we are going to Yogyakarta. Yay! So now we are in the car. Arcade Drone and I are going to airport Soekarno-Hatta, and we will fly to Yogyakarta. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned on my channel, okay? Mwah. The entrance ticket for Borobudur is set on two prices, one for locals and another for foreigners. They have in-season price and out-of-season price. The prices are $44 for foreigners and $10 for locals. After entering the temple, we were requested to wait for an available guide, as walking unattended is not permitted, and the guide is allocated to the language you speak. Also, the group consists of from 3 people upwards. As part of the religious beliefs of Buddhism, you have to be dressed accordingly. No shoes or bare feet are allowed. Sandals are provided as allowed to keep as souvenir. Also, men and women have to wear sarung to cover exposed parts of body.
Down and up to the top.
Perfect.
Yeah, everyone come here.
Mm-hmm.
This is the top of the temple, Nirvana, paradise.
Baik.
This entrance, exit di other side. We go to the temple.
At the entrance to the temple, we are requested to change our footwear for the sandals provided as mentioned earlier. Only then are we allowed to enter and proceed with the tour.
When people making the Candi, depend on their imagination, because at the time no photo. When people working here, the king every day coming, you look to the people. You don't need to hurry, slow. Don't make mistakes. And because if they make mistake, the stone broken, they have to put a new stone. How to put new stone? Impossible. Because to take the stone from the top first.
So basically the stones were put into places first and then they carve it. Oh.
So people in Jawa during eating always slow, pelan-pelan, hati-hati. Everywhere anytime pelan-pelan, hati-hati.
Supaya nggak salah kalau susu salah malah. Bisa.
The original color of the stone like this, volcanic stone, but the wall of the temple yellow. Because someone from Holland making photo. So at that time the camera not so good, black and white. So how to make good photos? He painted it. What happened 10 years, 20 years later, some of the stone don't make. So who's wrong and who's right? No one is perfect.
Cool, you can see behind me. Okay, and the temple as well is very special. Really worth it to come here. Just come to Yogyakarta, okay, and visit Borobudur Temple. So you will understand the story, the culture, yeah, of Yogyakarta and also Indonesia. All right then. Now we are going back down from the top to down. Let's go. Go back. Let's go. The tour takes an average around an hour to complete. However, our guide tour took nearly 2 hours. Thumbs up to our guide. So many thanks for joining us on our journey around Borobudur Temple, and hope you found it enjoyable and interesting. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel Cindy Mirella. Okay, interesting. See you soon!